Hello and welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today I'm going to be doing my 2018 goals. And before that, I want to talk a little bit about 2017. I would say thanks to anybody who has subscribed to my channel, leave comments and give me those feedback that I really enjoy reading. And also thanks for making me feel welcome, because I just joined BookTube in June, and I didn't know what to expect because I am a blogger. So normally when I write my book review, I share it in written form on my blog. So the feedback is a little different, and I love my blog, and I love the feedback that I get on my blog. I actually do have a much bigger audience on my blog than I do on YouTube, but I did find myself enjoying this and being free to talk about books and things that I enjoy. I am a little not as comfortable as I think the average booktuber, because I am used to sitting down and taking my time to review a book. And a lot of time when I get on the camera, I have what I know I want to say, and sometimes I will say something else. I've looked back at some of my reviews and I'm thinking, what the hell am I talking about? Or I get nervous and I have a problem pronouncing a word or something like that. But it's a camera thing, and this is not my life. I'm not accustomed to being in front of a camera all the time. But I am getting better, and I'm seeing the difference between my my videos over time. But I'm still gonna be me. I am not this polished, girl that's going to be in front of the camera and all proper and all that. That's just not my personality. This is fun for me. This is not a job. So when I get in front of the camera and I talk about a book, I'm going to express it the way I would express it if I'm with my friends and we're laughing and talking about something, So that's not going to change. But in terms of learning to not get tongue-tied and pronouncing certain words without stuttering all the time, that I need to work on. I don't know what that is, because if when I'm talking to someone, I don't have that issue. But I get in front of the camera, it happens. But it is what it is. I really love the feedbacks. I love the comments, and I love especially from people who normally don't read the genres that I read. I really enjoy those people who tend to still watch my video and give me feedback. Also, I want to continue my series on spotlighting authors who are has several works, but not well known. It wasn't well known to me, and might not be well known to other people. But I want to still do a little binge reading where I would read at least perhaps 3 or more books from an author that's not well known, and do a review on the books and how I feel about the author. So that's going to continue in 2018, and I am not really going to change much about what I read, because reading is fun for me, and I don't want to make commitments that I know I'm going to struggle to keep. So I'm still going to read authors that I like and genres that I like. I will try to make more emphasis on certain authors and certain cultural background, because it's something that I just think will be interesting to see how well I do with that. And I want to perhaps add more of my work. So I do write poetry. It's something that I'm trying to grow. I'm trying to get better at. I'm trying to be a little bit more out there with it and not be so shy about my work, actually vocally saying it, versus I write it, put on the blog, people read it and comment on it, but getting in front of a camera and actually saying one of my poems, that I haven't been able to do yet, except for when I went to my birthday blog. The birthday vlog when I did my poetry recite at Norican. That's the only time I've ever publicly said any of my poems. So that's something I want to work on. There will be more vlogs, but some of the vlogs are going to be different because I am going on this extreme weight loss journey. I need to lose some weight. In 2017, I gained 37 pounds. 37, 36, something like that. And that needs to go. So I need to lose that and a little bit more. And my goal is to get on, track and be accountable for everything I do. So I'm going to be doing small vlogs, but they're going to be monthly, just once a month, where I talk about what I'm doing, you know, from the beginning of the month to the end, and weigh myself and see the difference and see what's working, what's not working. And a few like equipments I want to try out, apps, and other things that I want to try out, food, and see how well that works, and share that. That's going to be a monthly thing. And as far as like my blog, it's still my baby, it's still my number one love. And you know, so if you haven't been on my blog, please check it out. But I do post 3 days a week on there, and I do share my lifestyle. I'm a single girl, and I do share like the dating woes and things that I've encountered being single and being, you know, a working woman and having a busy life and not having kids and still being able to feel like a woman, you know, and the comments that people will make sometimes, and, you know, thinking that if you don't want kids, something's wrong with you. So yeah, I share a lot of those kind of, you know, lifestyle kind of things on my blog, but check it out. So other than that, I will continue to be active on this channel. I will continue to try and grow my channel, and thank you guys so much for all the feedbacks and all the comments again that you guys have shared and making me feel welcome. And that's it. So I hope you guys have a great 2018, and I hope you guys, all the things you want to accomplish and things you want to do. Oh, another thing, yes, I'm working on my short story. I talked about that in a previous video, but that's something that I'm working on, and that's a goal that I want to achieve, is to actually complete my short story. But again, I said I was going to share it for free when I do finish. It's going to be on my blog, so anybody can go and read it. And we'll see how far that goes, but that's a goal towards the end of the year. Definitely not something that's ready right now, but it's a goal. But anyway, if you have any goals and things you want to do, I think sometimes, you know, when you think about your goals, you don't really want to share too much. But I also feel like if you speak it in existence, if you just actually say it, sometimes it pushes you even more to do it, versus like if you hide it, you know, there's some things you want to hide, but if you hide all of the goals you want to accomplish, sometimes you never really get it. But if you say it out loud, you know, like I have a fitness goal, and I feel like by saying it out loud and actually, you know, letting the world know, yes, I'm going to do it, it makes, put a pressure on me, like, you know what, you got to do this. You said you're going to do it, you're going to do it. So that's how I feel about sometimes saying out loud your goals and your things you want to accomplish. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. And thank you guys for the support, and I hope 2018 will be the year that we all get to do the things we want to do and have all those happy moments, and all about positive energy in 2018. So have a good day, and thanks for watching. Bye.